How beautiful is a bird in a tree? With a bird feeder, the bird can be attracted down to the bird feeder where it's easier to see and appreciate. Hi, I'm Wayne Brillhart, and I shoot birds with a Canon. But it wasn't always that way. For my first book, I used a Minolta to shoot photographs of these beautiful birds for my book, The Mystery at the Bird Feeder. Children read this book and find Purdy, the English setter, who takes care of the yard, finding the bird feeder on the ground empty one winter morning. Since Purdy is responsible for the backyard, she needs to find out who knocked down the bird feeder and ate all the birdseed. So she asks the birds, starting with Carl the Cardinal and Jimmy the Junco. Several birds come by, and this book has attracted the attention of many birders who enjoy the photographs so much that they are purchasing the book as well. But this has a cute story where Purdy pursues the adventure until she finally learns the culprit. And in the process of following Purdy, you will learn about 8 different birds and enjoy the photographs of them in their natural environment. This book is available in softcover on Amazon.com, or you can purchase a hardcover version on the website at www.thebirdsbooks.com. The hardcover version has glossy photographs that you will appreciate and love to enjoy as you read the story. More information is at www.thebirdbooks.com.